see guys. Nice. As you can see guys, it's joining server and it works perfectly. As you can see, we can play with our Delta Executor once again. Hey yo people, what is up and welcome to my brand new tutorial. In this tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can update your Delta Executor to the latest version in order to fix error 280 code from your Roblox every time you click on play game, block streets, every game guys you can imagine. It will be fixed with latest Delta Executor. Just follow my steps guys. You can do it with your Android or your iOS devices. It works perfectly for both devices. So guys, I still have this problem, so we will test it now. It loads, let's try and fish. So it loads infinitely, or I get error here. Like as you can see guys, it won't join the server. It will load infinitely and we will fix now this problem. So guys, close the game and go to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily guys, and click on Delta Executor tool, and we will have to enter our Roblox user ID guys. If you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, go to roblox.com, log in and go to your profile, copy your profile link and click there to paste it. So let me show you quickly. So go to roblox.com, your profile guys, and copy your profile link. And guys, let's get back to this tool. So just click on this button. It will automatically scrape only your user ID. So guys, it should find our account. So let me 49. Okay, so click continue instantly after pasting this. So it should find our account. As you can see guys, user found. Nice. So my account is connected, it's marked, and it's my avatar. So guys, we will have to click import updated newest Delta Executor to our account. So just click here, and if you want, you can select the script that you want to install, I mean to be pre-installed and to be activated on your account, and click continue guys. As you can see, it's also ban protected and undetected, so you don't have to worry about bans. It's published officially by Delta Executor, so you don't have to worry. API is connecting guys, and let's see what we'll have to do now. So nice, API is connected guys. Nice, our user account is connected and our activation key is generated. Nice guys. So we'll have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, and guys, it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive newest updated Delta Executor on our Roblox. So guys, we will have a list of 6 free tasks, and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, make sure to complete tasks that you want, I mean by your choice. The best thing for my opinion is to download games or apps, or even to complete this simple gift card questionnaires. It really depends on you what you want to complete. In my opinion, the best thing is Dice Dreams and TikTok in this case, so I will do this. So when you click free, when you click go, it will start downloading from the official publisher. I mean, if it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, what will I do now? I will download Dice Dreams and TikTok. So click free, click go, and it will start downloading, and you will have to follow their instructions. So I will download and install this app, then run it and restore Kingdom 6. And for TikTok, free, go, download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See you when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen, and does it actually work?
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from the list, as I said guys, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text guys. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened, so it should redirect us every single second. So let's wait, I won't skip. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check guys. Our user ID and our Delta Executor is connected, the latest version. So guys, the last step is to open our Roblox once again and to test does it actually work. So I will open again fish, and we will see will it actually load the game. Can we actually play? Will it join the server? So let's see, guys. Nice. As you can see, guys, it's joining server and it works perfectly. As you can see, we can play with our Delta Executor once again. Fixed 280 code, guys, error. So bloxforge.com is absolutely free and safe tool where you can fix this error for absolutely free. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. So once again, thank you so much for watching and see you next video. Bye.